Honestly, I almost want to say he ended up being worse than this guy. So it's not engaging. Thank you.
I was recording all that.
Alrighty guys, we are way down here on the south end in Ponce, which is darn near the end of our territory, but apparently we have a Ram 1500 somewhere down here that she made it seem like the 4x4 was working and it got stuck in 4x4, but I have a feeling that it's more so like a 4x4 isn't working. I can see it, and yeah, it's definitely just 4x4 isn't working. So yeah, we're gonna get them out of here. Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What was your name?
Dana.
Dana. John. Nice to meet you.
Hey.
What's up, buddy?
Oh,
All right.
Got buried.
Yep. There you go. Awesome. All right. Well, I should be pretty straightforward. We should be able to get you back, and then I'll follow you and make sure you get out of here. I'll just hook you up in reverse. Give me a little bit of gas, and we'll just back it up nice and slow until you're kind of on the hard stuff again, and then see if we can get you moving. All right? Of course. Yeah. So okay. Wait. Yeah. I forgot about that. You're saying it's 4-wheel drive, but. And it is.
For some reason, it's not getting. Like
What is it telling you?
I feel like it keeps saying you're shifting. So
Are you in neutral?
I'm in neutral.
Okay.
Try to just go to 4 auto.
Okay. And it says it's in. So now try and auto park engage. Whoa.
You know what I mean? It's all like kind of
So
screwed up.
try
Then
and-
the brake goes on.
Maybe it's because the door's open here. All right. So try and you put it in like. Will it let you put it in gear? Try and give it a little gas.
Like the floor.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you do the same thing in reverse and let me look at your axles. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No. Okay. So it's not engaging because your CVs aren't spinning. So maybe try 4 low real quick. Did you try that in neutral? It's gonna want you. It might be something in the front diff itself. Throw it in reverse.
We did have a guy try and help us, and then his rope snapped.
His rope snapped.
No,
Oh. Yeah, now it's just like, you know. Yeah. All right, well, let's pull it out, and then hopefully maybe it'll be happier once it's on solid ground. Just in reverse like you are, just a tiny bit of gas. And honestly, I'm gonna readjust, and I'm gonna pull kind of this way so you can turn a little bit driver, and we'll get you straight in the lane, okay? That's okay. Oh. Hold on. You'll have to keep your wheels straight and try and go forward, and we'll give you a push. If you can get some momentum, you'll be able to roll out of here, but I'll follow you and pull you out. If not, and then I'll just check with you out there. Hold on, make sure he gets unhooked. Got it. All right, go ahead. Try and crawl it nice and easy at first. Wheel straight, wheel straight. All right, and then ease up and then back on. It wants to move. So think about it like, yeah, there you go. Yeah, you'll like spin a little and then you can let off. It'll jump on top and then you lay back on easy. There you go. Give it a little bit more. And then you get, yeah, there you go. Come on. You're so close. There you go. Keep going, a little bit more. There you go. We'll see if he makes it or not. No, we'll pull him out again. I kind of want to go to the jetty and make sure no one else is stuck before we leave, but he's already getting stuck again, I can tell.
Hey, got another one down there when you're done.
Awesome, thank you, man. Well. Guess it was a good thing we were gonna go down there. We'll just take it nice and easy. I don't have as much confidence with these new ones because it's a whole different thing. Like mine's just solenoids and vacuum, but this is more electronic, little mechanical stuff. We see a lot more issues with these newer ones. See, now it says locked in. But I just had a Chevy 2500 a few days ago, did the same thing. It would say it was engaged and the CVs weren't spinning, but the drive shaft is spinning. So you're getting power to the diff, but the diff's not giving power to the CV axles. So it's something, right. Yeah, it's weird. Well, once we get you on the road, yeah, at least you'll be able to, you know, get it home, check it out. Sometimes once you're on concrete or even standing there, you rinse it off. Like I literally on my way to you guys, I couldn't get out of four-wheel drive. We had to pull over and I had to unplug my sensors and plug them back in to get it to disengage. So this sand's gnarly, but we'll put you to the ramp and at least you can go from there. All right. Yep.
A few moments later.
Awesome. You doing cash or card? Yep, that works. Hey, I wish you guys luck with it. Have a good day, okay? Yep, it'll probably be on YouTube. You'll see it. She's funny. Oh, did I not even hit record that time? I think I did. It might have died or something. I don't know. There you go, guys. Not sure what was going on with their 4x4 there, but we were able to help get them to the ramp, and they can figure it out and get back out on the beach next time. See ya.
Moments later.
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to
I'll
meet
be
you
watching
too.
your videos, bro.
That's awesome. I appreciate it. You want to have her just get a picture of us in front of the truck?
Yeah, bro. I came from Virginia.
Really? Heck yeah, man.
Yeah.
You want to have her get a picture of like us from here? Or what do you want? Yeah. Awesome.
Appreciate it, my man.
Of course. You guys have fun out here, okay?
Little later.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Ditto. That's a nice truck too. I like the color. We're pretty close.
Thank you.
It helps it float. Do it.
You need to do it. I was recording all that.
Alrighty guys, it is Memorial Day weekend. It is hot, it is sunny, and we got our first call. Yeah, for a Ram and another Ram trying to pull it out, and they're both stuck. So, we're gonna get them both out of here. What's up? Good, about yourself?
Pretty good too. I try to, help out somebody.
You're the one that called?
I am.
What's
Yep.
your name?
Kevin.
Kevin John, nice to meet you. And your name?
Matt.
Matt John. Okay, that's nice of you.
Stop.
That's fair, that's fair. Alrighty, let me get a little bit of an evaluation and we'll see what our game plan is, okay?
All right.
Honestly, I almost want to say he ended up being worse than this guy.
Yeah.
So I think basically, obviously I got to pull him out first just because he's in front. But both of you guys have front hooks, which makes things easy. Get a bridle on it, get a rope on it. I honestly think I can get both of y'all out with a kinetic rope, so it should be pretty quick. Not too hard.
I watch you guys
Yep.
all the time on Facebook.
Oh yeah,
He was
man.
telling me all about it.
That's
you or your
awesome.
dad
Yep.
coming out.
Yep,
I said,
yep.
he's here. He's in the red.
Yep, there you go, there you go.
So-
All right, sounds good. I'll work on getting it hooked up.
Okay.
I think it's my 30 foot. Nope, this is the 20. I just realized, look, this has got a rubber wrap around it. It's pretty interesting. Never seen that. I mean, it's kind of a good idea. Help keep them in good shape. I just noticed your rings got like rubber around them. That's cool. That's a nice little feature.
I ordered that off of Amazon when I bought the truck.
Oh, okay. That's a nice touch. I feel like they always get scratched up, so that's good. All right, you in for high or low?
Low.
Okay, that should be just fine. Real quick, try and throw it in drive. Give it just a tad bit of gas and try and turn that wheel more toward where my truck's at. Little bit. Perfect. That's good. All right, so when I go and I start moving, you know I'm gonna hit it. Give me a little bit of gas. It should come right up. I'm on the hard sand.
Hey, Ted, what the ropes do?
Good job, man.
Oh, wow. On there, huh?
Bam. Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Of course. I guess I just leave this connected. Going straight to do the same thing to him. What's up, buddy?
They asked me to pull. They said, "You can pull me up there." I said, "I can't pull you. Santo will take care of you guys."
We appreciate you, buddy. All right, same thing, doing it again. I'll get hooked up. Once I'm hooked up, I'll have you in there. Are you in for high or low? Okay, you'll just have the wheel straight with me, a little bit of gas when I start moving. We should be able to get it up pretty easy. He actually managed to get a little bit more stuck than you were, so hopefully this shouldn't be too bad. All right, ready to rock? Good job.
Nicely done.
Thank you. And I make sure you guys get out of here. So if you want to hang out, you can. I mean, obviously, you were probably just cruising through.
Yeah.
But if you're worried about getting stuck, I tell people the further south you go, the better.
Yep.
Even just, 10 minutes or so, I tell people anywhere around that, you won't even worry about getting stuck.
Worry about getting stuck?
No,
The next 10 minutes?
no, hopefully not.
What it is this orange sand right here.
Bingo, yeah. It's more chunky, so it doesn't really pack, so the heavy trucks just sink in it.
Can we stay on this hard part?
You can. The only problem, like for today, example, Memorial Day weekend, it's going to get really busy and people flood the traffic lane. So they'll set their tents up right to the lane. So if you start, right, exactly, it gets a little scary. Yeah, because it's closer to Daytona, but it's not like that Daytona crazy crowd.
So we know what
Yeah, I'm going to go that way, but I can absolutely follow you guys and get you out that ramp and make sure you get out of here.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
I won't take it for, we'll make sure you get out of here, okay?
Okay, so you
I'll
want
meet
me
you
to
at the
turn
ramp.
around here and just go
Yep,
back
turn
up?
around low side and see how there's people. I would honestly, if you shoot back up, it's nice and hard right there, just to the left of that striped tent.
Yep.
And just roll your momentum. You'll be just fine. I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
I'm going to meet him at the ramp. Make sure you get out of here. Yep. There you go, guys. Little Memorial weekend double up. Good start to the day. It was a fun one. Wasn't too hard. Everyone was cool. Everyone was having a good time, and that's what matters. So we're on to the next. See ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.